Hey guys, so today we will learn how to automatically empty your recycle bin daily. So for this to work, we get to our settings. So in the settings, we get to system, and system we get to storage, and we have to turn this storage sense on. What is inside in this? So we have different configuration in this. So run this task daily to run the recycle bin for first day after 14, after 30. I normally select it on daily basis, and also for the downloads. So with this, these you will never be out of space, and your system will be running efficiently. I hope you have learned how to use Windows 11 auto cleaning of your recycle bin and download folder. Thank you for watching.